Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to Prostar Technica. Today, we are in one of our installations, one of our sites, and we are here to carry out routine maintenance. And this maintenance will be carried out on the panels. As you all are aware of, we are into the dry season now and the harmattans, and everywhere is dusty. So it's important you carry out maintenance on your panels by cleaning them. This dust on the panels will reduce the efficiency of the panels, thereby making your batteries to take longer to charge, and sometimes they might not even charge fully. But if you wash the panels, you are exposing the surface more to sunlight, therefore improving the efficiency of the panels. So it's very important you do this. So we're going to be showing you the panels now before we wash them to see how dusty they are, and then we're also going to be showing you after washing them. Please follow me as I take you along. As you can see, these are the panels, quite dusty. As you can see them. These are the panels on the roof. Even from far you can see it's quite a large array, large number of panels on this roof. It's a commercial installation. Look at it. So we're going to be cutting this video here. When we are done with the washing of the panels, we're going to come back and show you and also tell you what we did and how we washed it, what we used, in case you want to ask. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Prostar Technica once again. I remember in the morning when I showed you these panels and they were very dusty. I told you that you are here for maintenance work, which you should do routinely, especially in the harmattan and dry season, to clean the dust to improve the performance of your panels. So I am here now in the evening and the job is done for the day. You can see the panels how they are now. You can compare them with how they were in the morning. You can see that this is a much better looking panel now. With this one, you are sure that your panels will give you the best efficiency. Just look at them. This was a whole day's job. We are talking about 100 and something panels. Like I told you, this is a commercial facility, and since morning we've been on the cleaning of these panels. So always try to keep your panels clean during the harmattan. Don't start complaining that my battery doesn't charge full anymore, something is wrong with my system. No, nothing is wrong with your system. Your panel is probably not producing enough to charge your battery to give you enough backup at night. So thank you for staying tuned to this channel. Thank you for watching to the end. Please do not fail to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, comment. You can also call us if you have any issue or anything that you want to tell us. We will be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.